he planning to come out here? He didn't say nothing. You know, right?
No, maybe he thinks, see, Danny, she gonna take care of that.
When I opened that thing and I saw that, I'm like, nope, nope.
¿A qué es esa cosa?
No, es un jardín, pero levantado. Para sembrar como las plantitas, la lechuga.
Oh, ya veo.
Wow.
The bolt,
¿Qué es eso?
the bolt that go at the bottom.
Oh, because it got a little rack, Miss Marge.
Yes, a little rat you can put underneath it.
Oh, yeah. So now we need them long sticks.
Tu nombre es
Long sticks. We go this way.
Like that.
Okay, turn it. Let's turn it.
Oh, this feels like a 2-day project.
Okay, Marjorie.
Just saying.
Girls, come here. I mean, we're gonna
It takes time, though, you know.
okay?
You get it done. You look like
Seven.
this. You don't need to do it today off.
Really nice.
Okay, Yaira.
Ma, give me one moment.
No, this is gonna be a no. We need to do one.
One moment. Okay.
What's in this bag?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it now.
Okay, ya me acuerdo. Ooh, that was quick.
Pray, Lord Jesus.
Anything for my neighbor. Anything for Miss Marjorie.
Oh, no.
Okay, ¿tú tienes los tornillos, ma? Ve, dame los tornillos que le acabaste de dar a Yajaira.
Ah, estos tornillos y todas esas tablas es para eso.
Oh,
La verdad que ustedes son bien de esto, ¿eh? No hay un alicate de regir ni nada, tantas camisas que yo tengo ahí en la bomba.
No, I'm just doing it on a whim and a fly. And following the directions. The Puerto Ricans don't read instructions, but I did this time. And I still managed to put things backwards.
Okay, what else?
I
What's
don't know
next?
where I need
Son
to.
los tornillos y las tablitas.
Oh, I hope there's holes for these.
Son 11 tornillos. 11 tornillos cada uno.
So we're missing something here.
Mom, we're not done. We're finishing the one side
It's just one side. I
for the
think
shelf. But
Okay.
then,
the shell.
yeah, but then we gotta put in some support.
Los soportes yo creo son estos.
Esto,
Yeah, no, those go on the top. Those corner
This.
supports and stuff.
esto.
Yeah, I think, or that's for the shelf. I think it goes on that side.
That one is it somewhere in the middle.
No, that's a shelf.
What is it?
That's the shelf on the
Some
side.
sort of shelf.
Oh,
Vamos a ver si
Dad.
ya sabe qué está haciendo. Lo voy a ver.
Dad, you have no hope in me. That's
No,
like
no,
not
te voy a ver
nice.
ahora. No, estás mal.
Why?
No va de ese lado. Va
Yes,
por
it
debajo.
does.
Por debajo. Mira las instrucciones. Por debajo. Acuérdate que usted tiene una mesa que ve.
Oh, this way.
Exacto.
This way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
true.
we need to turn
Oh,
again.
Jesus. Flip it this way so
Yeah,
I
you
can
gotta
see.
put it like
Because I can't see.
down.
Well, we're planning to get it, Marjorie.
Mom, just flip it.
My
I'm a blind
God.
bat.
I gotta eat my God.
Okay, Midnight, you go over there. Like that.
I'm a blind bat.
Girl,
Yeah, that's where
you
I'm supposed to put
instruction.
it.
That's why I give you everything you need.
Okay.
All right, Victor.
You want the
I just pull everything close.
Sidani, you want to join?
sit on it? Won't be able
No,
to
she's
bend
quiet
over.
with
Where's
me.
Mrs. Annie?
Just washing.
Sidani, you sure you don't want to join us?
I'm not gonna be able to bend down there. I won't get
Come
up.
on, you
Just
know
go
math.
there. You can sit on there.
Oh, sit in here. You know math, Miss Sidani. You can do anything. You know how they say one time in your life you're gonna use the math you learned, square to the power of 3,000. You know, this is it. This is the time.
Alabama.
This is a lot of.
Bambino at Navista.
No, mi amor, no.
So the power. You know, they should have let me build this outside and then type it today. Right? That would have been the smart thing to do. That's how they really did it.
Okay, Jay,
I know, right?
Jay, tú
My
tienes
back
los,
gonna be fired.
Jay, tú tienes los tornillitos, mami.
Fired back.
Aquí,
I have them, Mom.
sure.
Yep, I have them.
What is this on both?
What's not missing?
This is number one.
I guess this is how it's gonna look, Miss Mark.
Here.
It looks pretty though. It looks pretty, Jack.
Mommy, you gotta take a mental picture because this may not ever happen again. Okay. So, what's his name? Richard.
Richard! White glove service, Richard.
White glove, sir. But let me get that needle thing.
Oh, I should just
Richard over here.
I should just call him
Needs to be thinking.
and let him hear
Mommy
what's
can't be
going on.
building this by herself.
I should just call him.
We gotta call
So,
Richard.
Miss Marjorie, you think it was small? Only like one, like
I
this?
don't think she thought it was small, but she didn't think it was this big.
I did not know it was this big. I didn't think so.
I know.
You know, I saw Richard one, but I don't even remember how tall it was or so. I didn't really penetrate it much.
Mira, Jay, usa este. Jay, usa el azul. Mira, no.
It's charged?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you can see on this thing. I don't know how to do that.
Amor, la llave, porque cuando vaya a meterla en el camito,
Pónmela, déjamela ahí encima de la mesa.
aquí encima, mira. Aquí. Oíste,
Sí, mi amor.
no te olvides.
You better put that on.
Voy para eso, porque ya está poniendo de noche y los mosquitos están encima.
Ok, pa.
Richard got us doing all this handyman work over here. Instead of giving mommy a white glove service. Man, I gotta talk to Richard. Richard coming over. Oh, you better. Oh, I know how he's gonna pay it.
Está bien, mi amor.
Make some jerk chicken on the
Está bien, vete, que te cobro un poquito.
jerk chicken.
Okay, yes.
Every time you make jerk chicken, my girls freeze. Wow. This Marjorie's still making jerk chicken. I can smell it. And I'm like, I know.
Oh, that one's good. That one's gourmet.
Oh, wait, who's Richard then? Oh, we don't know who Richard is.
Richard
Who's
is the bigger
Richard?
one.
Oh, we never met Richard.
Yeah, she
I
met
met
Richard.
him.
Oh, we need to talk to Richard.
I see that man walking around the Miss Marjorie house. Yes, because you guys wasn't here.
Oh,
No, I think
Who are
when
you?
he came was early. You guys wasn't in the house. I was like, who are you looking for?
He probably was like, who's this one?
Oh, be Marjorie.
Yes.
Gonna be her. Look at her, look. She's practicing. Look. She's practicing.
I have to get her a stool.
No, look.
No, she's
No, she got one. You got a stool? That's fine. All right now.
That's a garden bench.
Alright.
Alright, I'm missing two.
Look so cute.
Oh, I never met Richard. Bless his heart.
See, that means you have something planned there. Because I wasn't cut that grass because what about the budget? Because I see everything there. They just go in the
Ooh, I need this bench. My back is backing. Oh, I never met Richard. You're probably good. He lives in Virginia.
Oh, it's Jermaine. Jermaine's the one that used to be here with you guys, right?
Right, yeah.
And he got married. Sent him off with his wife.
That's right. Man shall leave his mother's house and go live with his wife.
Yep.
He went to live with his wife.
Got to go. You married, you gotta go. That's all. No shame in that game. Gotta go. Is that a pigeon?
That's a dove. He said,
I can't wait to see my grandkids.
what grandkids?
The one in my
Oh! You hear them? They're there? They're there yet? They're born yet?
no, not yet.
Okay.
That's why I'm not
Your
putting
grandkids
nothing there.
Oh, because they're there.
Yeah.
Until they're old. They take over. Are they paying your rent?
The first and the last time that they go.
Yeah. Are they paying rent?
Oh, there's a bunch of freeloaders.
Freeloaders.
Mommy, I hope this was your expectations, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. What I'm thinking, where this go?
Where
On
was
the
it?
side?
I don't know, Mom. We gotta read the instructions.
Mrs. Danny, check.
I'm not sure. I haven't gotten to that step yet. I have not gotten to that step yet. Just yet.
Not just yet.
He's going with those little wood things.
I think these are the brackets
Bring
to hold them.
bring the little bag that I brought from my house. Yeah, that one.
I think these are the brackets for
If
them.
These don't come with that.
Yeah, I think that goes at the bottom.
See? That's to hold something. Yeah. Okay, good. And so this might be, Mrs. Danny figured
Can I
out.
see? Can I see real quick? Honey?
These go here. That's all I know.
Oh, we gotta build this shelf, girl. Okay, we need them brackets. So we gotta do these first, and then the brackets go in the inside.
Where the brackets go? Is it inside?
Right in here.
Where they go?
Number 7.
Only one that can do school.
You gotta use like a mallet.
Okay.
The mallet to hit it.
Oh,
So and those are the things I didn't find in there.
That's the only thing it didn't come with.
I didn't see that.
so they use
Six little things that
It go like that.
Oh. Oh, I see. Okay.
Oh, okay. What a monster. Stop.
So where did these come?
Oh, that's a
these
shell.
are part of the shell.
That's a
on the
shell.
outside.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
They got some hooks.
Where the hooks? Yeah, the hooks are there too.
So it's gonna go. The shelf is gonna go on this side, So these are gonna go, yeah, in the shop goes here, and then there's like two little hooks that go on. Oh, the hooks go on that side. The shop goes on that side. On the barber. I'll take it. Maybe it's a fucking much.
Right there.
We need J.
I hit it one more time.
J6 is there such a big some screw nuts? J6. J, yeah. J right here. I'm still gonna talk to Richard. I don't know who he is. We still gotta talk to Richard.
We better get a refund for the
This is unacceptable, Mr. Richard.
I wonder how long it took to finish up.
He built this too?
We have fun.
Oh, call Richard. Call Richard. Richard? Mommy goes to
That one is very strong. That's good.
Yep. Okay. Is it in? I think you gotta hit it a little more.
Careful with your finger.
No, don't put your finger there. You want to hit it just a bit more. Come through this one. Real quick. But you know how to use an X-Acto knife. You never used an X-Acto knife? Never? Okay, so look at that. Hey. It's like a braid. Yes. One day I'll still be a nurse. One day. I love that. I ain't scared of that.
Okay.
Love that stuff. Go like this.
Hold the piece.
Like that. Straight down. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
Another one. Don't put your finger. Go ahead. Put your hand right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know you.
You don't hit yourself and then you have more pressure.
And more control.
There you go. Right there. There you go.
So excited. I just think
This one will cook discombobulated. Hold on. That's because I'm Victor's daughter. And Alabed's daughter.
I was so afraid to use the chainsaw thing. La sierra.
I saw you using the surplus saw.
That one. No, let me tell you, I was so afraid.
I'm like,
Afraid. I was like, no, I said, you have to do this.
so how does it come out, Jay? Do you have to?
Or you switch the direction.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
We gotta get you a little tiny one. So you can have it in the house.
This
I have a
is what-
drill.
You have one?
We have one. Yes, she has one.
You got a power drill?
Yeah. But I don't use it because I tried and it didn't work. I put it right back.
So now you know how to use it. Yeah, you got this. I believe in you.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Like Jake told me I could do it. I could do it.
That's right.
You know, I like doing things like that. But
They'll have
when I was
So it's
a little girl, and my house, the floor was like wood like that. You know, like, it was broken because my dad was on the floor. And I used to fix it. I don't want nobody to just dig a hole. Yeah.
All right, mommy.
Okay, which one is for this lady?
Oh wait, I don't know about that. I didn't read that. I'm still trying to do. I need
the
eyes.
Eyes. Yes. That's yellow.
Water eyes.
What an eyes.
It seems like it goes like in the middle. Like that. That's how they have it in the picture.
Yeah.
See, they have it like high. So it's gonna go like in the middle. There. Yeah, it's right above the little circle. I don't know about that. I need help for this one. What do you need? Can you hold it? You can hold down this side and I'll do that side and then we'll let you know it. Oh no, I don't think I'm at Richard.
Where are they here? We're here in the country.
Okay, below what? Aquí arribita.
Above, mama.
Arribita.
Above. I think I got it now.
Miss Marjorie,
Yes, ma'am.
come and hold this one.
Come to me.
Huh?
Don't hold it.
In the middle.
Each and each. Where is 32 Japanese? And look at that.
And you never, when you work with this, you never tie the screw all the way down. The first one, because sometimes you need to, here, that thing is there.
Perfectionism.
Oh,
This is terrible. We talk to Richard.
Tell me. Mommy, Richard had a lot of faith in you.
I can, you don't need to hold it anymore. Now I'm gonna hold it. Thank you. And I turn.
Oh, come on. This would be easier if I was standing.
Give me two more.
Damn, why you killing it over there?
Who's boss?
I just pulled it with the ball.
That's right. You're the boss.